In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel the Duolingo subscription on iPhone. It is relatively simple to do so. It's not a very difficult process to go through, but you need to know how it works. So right now, if I open up my Duolingo, you can see that I have the premium. I have the super Duolingo. And you can perhaps have like a family plan and anything like that without the ads, so it's nice. However, if I go and open up my subscriptions page on the iPhone in the settings, because in the main settings, if you click on your name at the top right there, you can go to the subscriptions like that. And you're going to notice that here are all of the active subscriptions. So I have the Snapchat here. And if you can find Duolingo on this list, then awesome. You can just click on the Duolingo app like this and click on cancel subscription. I just have the Snapchat Plus as an example, but I can cancel the free trial or cancel the entire subscription in case it's that what it applies to. So if you find a Duolingo here, again, just click on it, cancel the subscription there, the red button, and it's all basically done and finished. But besides that, you also have the option to see all plans. So when you click on that, you can switch to a different Duolingo or Snapchat in this case plan. So you can switch to a different one, perhaps upgrade to family to save some money, or downgrade, or whatever you need. You can switch from that as well, or cancel, as I say. But the problem in my case is that the reason why it's not showing up in my subscriptions is because I have set it up through a different Apple ID. Well, this is the Apple ID for my payments, and I downloaded the app using the Apple ID, but I logged in with a different account. So what happened is that on a different iPhone, I used a completely different Apple ID, downloaded the Duolingo app, and upgraded to the full subscription. But when I downloaded the app on a different Apple ID, I logged in with the same email address to Duolingo, but the payments are not processed through this iPhone, but through a different iPhone. So I'm just giving you a heads up to know that this is what could have happened to you. Just in my case, I have to just check it out on my iPhone 14, but the process is actually exactly the same. I still have to go to the settings and tap on the subscriptions, but on a different device. So I'm just giving you a heads up, as I say, that this could have happened to you as well. It did for me, so it could easily happen to you as well. But that's basically all that there is to know about it. Before you leave, I want you to check out the Foxtecc educational platform, which is free to join. It's literally linked down below in the description. And the reason it exists is to make sure everyone uses their iPhones in a much better way. There are so many things that people don't know about. For example, like a lot of people don't know how you can edit videos. So I created full guide for video editing, like entire course, or in-depth iPhone guides and apps explain. Like there are so many different things inside of the clock app that it literally took me 20 minutes to explain every single thing there. And more stuff is coming into the future, so go ahead and join it right now. It is free to do so, and I will see you inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next Foxtecc tutorial.